Top of the circle, chopped away. Avs trying to keep it in. Good play, Kovalenko. Middlestat gives it back. He'll march down deep and shoot. And what a save by Dostal.
Fake Dostal a little bit so he can drop that glove and try and go up and over it right there. And
on the near side, Cale to the dot. Darts through and shoots off the post. He just rang it short side off the iron.
Right off the crossbar, maybe side of the post. Look as he's going down to get that much pepper on that.
Could be a 3-on-2. On the near side, Gilchi sends it in front. Stopped by Georgiev. Rebound shot. Saved by Georgiev. It's underneath him. Loose puck at the goal line. Where is it? It's underneath something, and it's in. Unbelievable. The officials let it go and let it go and let it go. And Anaheim strikes first.
Get blown. Obviously, it wasn't covered. Chaos in front. Bodies everywhere. Georgiev's looking behind him. Like, where is that puck to not be blown? It must have been sitting on the side of the pad. And the official's going to make the call as soon as we see that puck. So it's not covered there, and it's just tucked against the pad. Manson's trying to stuff it there, but it's not covered, so the referee rules. Here's a great look. And I think it's going to be stuck right on the side of the pad. Watch the left side of Georgiev here. Now it's under him, and it's right there. Right there, folks.
Well, how's there not a whistle? Well,
it's actually not covered,
right.
and the official is dialed in. He is right here looking at it.
It was loose. I thought maybe.
Now they just need to maintain it because they're not getting many results from a great start.
The car trying to push it through and could not do it. Tristan Luneau did a good job. Wrist shot that hit. Maybe the iron that goes up into the screen. Now McKinnon back to Middlestat with his shot. Side of the net. Bouncing puck. It's loose. On his back is Dostal. And when the net is off its moorings again.
Can't grab the puck. So watch the give and go. Here's the shot. Hits Mikko right in the gloves.
45 to go in the power play. Power play number 2. Period number 1 for the Avs. Mikko to Cale. One-timer. Oh, and it's off of Dostal that just missed the post.
Wings as we look at Cale Makar. Unloads that 90-mile-an-hour shot. He was reading the tea leaves. He thought he was gone on a 2-on-1. That was a great defensive play.
30 seconds to go here. Period at number 1. Avs trailing 1-0. Despite 17 shots on goal, it's Dumoulin. Save. Rebound. Score! Ryan Strome got the puck right at the hashes and puts it home off the rebound. And a backbreaker as the Avs give one up with 23.3 seconds left in the first.
So quick. Nobody was on it. Watch this wrister. Just boom. Right off that right shoulder. And we talk about protecting the house. That rebound has to be found by an Avs player. And that just jumps right on the stick.
Well, McKinnon was red hot about it. Killorn pops it up from Makar. Set ahead, breakaway time, Middlestat, he'll backhand it and score! Casey Middlestat! All the way down Broadway to deliver the goods with a backhand inside the near post. The Avs get one back, it's now a 2-1 game.
Double fake pump. Watch this, he comes in, here's the first one, and then he gives it another one. Then shakes it to the backhand with those butter mitts. And finds it just under the glove backhand. What a nice sweet pass in stride. One pump, 2, backhand with speed. Casey Middlestat, you knew this was going in. So much time and space. Buries it back.
Zellweger challenged by Mikko. Fed ahead, here comes McKinnon. He's got Colton with him, Nate shoots. And that's blocked by a sliding Radko Gudas. Colton off to Rantanen, in front, backhanded off the crossbar by McKinnon. Head up. Tried to slide it through. Colton to get a piece. Saved by Dostal. Loose pockets underneath him as Middlestat got dumped down, and Colton is red hot.
Ross Colton is chapped because that puck was available for play there. As McKinnon tries to slide it in, goes back to Ross Colton. And that puck.
Sam Malinsky now in the corner. Pinned by Fabry. Puck is loose. Wood couldn't put it down. V-Babs have it backhand shot. Saved by Dostal. He robbed Middlestat. Wrapped around. Here's Middlestat shielding with his body. Wanted to get it up the boards. Makar took a hit from Leeson. Popped that one up. Tries to stay with it. Does. Fired across. Middlestat. A drive with shot. Score! Ross Colton from above the hashes. The one-timer bangs it past Dostal. It's a power play goal. And the Avs have tied it up 2-2.
Ross Colton is taking max advantage of his time, getting prime timeouts. But the play is perfect by Mittelstadt. Look at the fake shot and just slides it over. A nifty little pass that nobody can read. And Ross Colton, look at that, this little inside slip play. What hands you have to have.
Avs right back in. Power play is over. McTavish is out of the box. Shot off the post. Ross Colton just rang it off.
Turned forward, but it was deflected off the glass. Ross Colton with the power move comes across and boom, right off. The Ducks would be contending for a Stanley Cup. And if Lukáš Dostal is this good, that'll speed that up.
Makar darting in. Cale Makar back in. Flip. Save. And it's picked up by Anaheim. Up top. Off the end boards. Rantanen tried to put it on net. Got cut down. Swept around for Mikko. In front. Shot. Score! Ross Colton. His second of the game. Off the post. And in. And the Avs have taken a 3-2 lead. Pure flat-out domination inside the Anaheim zone. And Colton again.
Redonkulous. Nathan MacKinnon gets it over to the side. Now watch this little play as he goes back and just quickly slides it. Between all the Ducks defenders, the speed with which he makes that quick pass. Mintyukov can't even believe it slid by him. Look how good that is, and Ross puts it on a dime. The second post and in of the night. What a sally.
Here comes Fabry. He'll kick it up top, and Fowler has emerged from the bench. Power play almost over for Anaheim. Into the slot, shot, save! Mikey Georgiev, that was beautiful.
Just take a look at the save right here. Nice pass across the ice.
Colorado number 8.
Georgiev comes out, just throws that block. That was as confident as save. Watch the right blocker. Eyes on it, just boom.
They can't get to it. 3 to go, 2 to go. Out of the box comes Cale Makar. Cross ice pass, Ingris shoots. Save Georgiev. Puck is back to the front. Stopped by Georgiev and kicked to the near side. Makar got tripped up. No call there. One-timer. Blocked by a sliding Miles Wood. Down to the final 16 seconds. The crowd is going crazy. Another shot. Score! I can't believe it. You've got to be kidding me.
Oh, that's wild. What an effort by the special teams. And Troy Terry, of all people, comes in and somehow finds a roof job. 2 in the last 5 minutes. What a shot blocked by Miles Wood. And then Troy Terry, who's got a knack for scoring big goals and timing, just whips a needle through a haystack right under the bar. What a release. 37 goals 2 years ago, followed by 23 and then 20. That's a gifted play, and that is on the money.
Nate, plenty left in the tank as he works his way ahead. A minute into the third. MacKinnon bursting through MacKinnon. A backhand flip and a save by Dostal. Brought ahead by Mittelstadt. Now it's Mikko Rantanen. Not in deep. Rantanen wrap around. Oh my God! What a save by Dostal. Mikko looks.
Dostal, who is incredible. And that's going right in the back across maybe post.
Here's Terry. Ran into traffic. Avs take that puck away. Bashed up ice. It's MacKinnon. Tries to get off. Breakaway. Logan O'Connor shoots. And there's a save by Dostal. Into the Avalanche end. Home check. Cale turns it up ice. Shields with his body. The outlet finds Colton. Ross with a wrister. Glove save Dostal. And he'll play it himself. Bangs it up ice. He'll find Zegras, but that one's a little bit too far in front. Rantanen tried to pin him. They're both down, and here's Cale. Filters it ahead. Colton hangs on, and he'll challenge Mintyukov momentarily. Unbelievable.
What plays? Cale Makar did not have enough gas after he got it to Ross Colton to make it 2-1.
Fire ahead, Gerard, breakaway! He hits the post on the near side. I think I may puke. Here come the Ducks back the other way. McTavish, Darcy and far side shot off the side of the net. Rantanen, with less than a minute to go in OT, gives it off for MacKinnon. Nate, 1-on-3 will burst in on his own. MacKinnon shoots. Nathan MacKinnon was in overtime. An unbelievable individual effort by the Avs superstar center.
On that one, and then MacKinnon 1-on-3 says, you know what, I'm going to end it. Does a quick move across the middle, chases the puck, and then it slides in just past Dostal. What a look this is. Trickles in. Nate wills his way and this team to victory.